New this morning with nightfall arriving earlier in the holiday shopping season on the horizon. Many people are looking for ways to defend themselves and stay safe.
At ABC 10, we stand for you. We know keeping you and your family safe is a priority. This morning, we are showing you legal ways to defend yourself without having to grab a gun.
Sure, a gun is one way to protect yourself, but there are other ways to defend yourself if you feel threatened. In California, you can legally use pepper spray, a stun gun or taser, certain knives, and personal alarms to scare off an attacker. Dave Kovar is a self-defense instructor. He's taught thousands of people in his 44 years of doing this. He covers the basics to a more skilled martial arts style of defense. But no matter what, he says use your common sense.
If someone wants your money, you give them your money. If it's worth fighting over, get insurance.
Get in the habit of being alert. Dave says when you're in public, pay attention to what's going on around you. Have your keys in your hand so you're not digging for them at the car. That way, you're more likely to see a threat.
The average predator does not have an alternative plan. They have an alternative victim. Likely to look at you and go, oh, that person looks confident nowhere. Never mind. I'm gonna pick someone else.
If you carry pepper spray, make sure you can get to it. Walk to your car with it in your hand or attached to your keys.
Mace is a gas, and you should always spray mace low because gas rises. And if a pepper spray, go high because it's an oil and it drips. Because the whole idea is to get into the eyes and nostrils.
Chad Shepard is an expert in self-defense. He carries a flip blade knife, which is on the list of legal weapons.
I don't practice pulling my weapon out.
If he felt threatened, he'd rely on his martial arts, like in this real-life scenario of disarming someone with a gun.
We believe that you should practice self-defense on a regular basis because the more you practice these things, the more likely they're going to come out should you need them.
Well, remember, Dave started out by telling us to use our common sense. So if you're in a situation where someone has a gun, he says do your best to just make an escape. If you are interested in learning some of these self-defense techniques, check out their Live Safe training clinics. They have worked with county employees in Placer, El Dorado, and Sacramento. We have a link to the seminars at abc10.com.